Transform your dinner with this easy and tasty salad. Let's start by slicing a zucchini like this. Next, add a drizzle of olive oil to the frying pan and add the sliced zucchini. Leave to fry until golden brown on both sides. Here we can season with a little salt. Now I'm going to remove the zucchini, which have already been seasoned and fried. I'll cut up half a green bell pepper to give it that special flavor. This salad is so tasty, you'll want to make it every week. Now heat some olive oil in a frying pan. We'll add the peppers to the pan for a delicious sauté. Meanwhile, I'm going to cut up the zucchini and separate them into a bowl. In the same container as the zucchinis, I'll put the peppers we've cut. Then I'll cut 4 hard-boiled eggs into small pieces, like this. Don't forget to tell me which city you're watching us from, so I can send you a hug. I'll add the chopped eggs to the same container as the zucchini. I'll also cut up a tomato. I'll cut it into small pieces. In the same container as the zucchinis, I'll add the tomatoes. The spring onions I'm going to chop will make this salad taste even more delicious. I mix the spring onions with the other salad ingredients. In a smaller container, I add 2 tablespoons of natural yogurt, 2 tablespoons of mustard, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Now I'm going to mix it well so that it becomes an incredible dressing. Let me know which salad recipe you'd like to see here, I'd love to bring it to you. I'll add a pinch of salt to make the salad even tastier. Look how beautiful and delicious our salad recipe turned out. I'm sure this salad will surprise you and your family. If you like it, rate it from 0 to 10. I can't wait to find out how you rate it. A big hug and see you next time.